Ram Ram Ram. Sarvebhyah Hritpurvaka Namaskaraha. Welcome to the second class of Sri Raghuvira Gadyam. So yesterday we began with a short introduction and some introduction also to the rules of pronunciation. And we learned the first two verses and the first three lines of the Gadyam. So we will continue today. I will just recite whatever we learned yesterday, and then we will continue to learn the next few lines with our panelists Aditi and Ishu. Let us begin. Gururev gatirgurumev bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na guru paramam shishurasmi guroho Matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shriman Venkatanacharya Kavitarkika Kesari Vedantacharya Varyo me Sannidhattam sada hridi Jayatyaashrita santrasadvanta vidvamsanodayah Prabhavan Sitaya Devya Paramavyoma Bhaskarah Jaya Jaya Mahavira Mahadhira Dhaureya Devasura Samara Samaya Samudita Nikhila Nirjara Nirdharita Niravadhika Mahatmya. That is how much we have learned yesterday. We will continue with the fourth line. Aditi, कृपया unmute करोतु. दशवदन दमित दैवत
दशवदन दमित दैवत दशवदन दमित दैवत
परिषदभ्यर्थित
परिषदभ्यर्थित परिषदभ्यर्थित
दाशरथि भाव
दाशरथि भाव दाशरथि भाव.
So please note the Mahapranas here. Dashavadana Damita Daivata Parishadabhyarthita Bha and Tha. So here only the first Tha is a Mahaprana, the second is an Alpaprana, second is Tha. So yesterday one of you asked me what is the difference. So the last letter you see here, which I'm pointing out, this is Tha, that is Alpaprana. This is Thi, that is Mahaprana. So the Mahaprana should be only for the first Tha, the second should be Alpaprana. Parishadabhyarthita Dasharathi. This is again a Mahaprana. Bhava. Bha is also a Mahaprana. Dashavadana Damita Daivata.
Dashavadana Damita Daivata Dashavadana Damita Daivata
Parishadabhyarthita Dasharathi Bhava.
Parishadabhyarthita Dasharathi Bhava Parishadabhyarthita Dasharathi Bhava.
Dashavadana Damita Daivata Parishadabhyarthita Dasharathi Bhava.
Dashavadana Damita Daivata Parishadabhyarthita Dasharathi Bhava Dashavadana Damita Daivata Parishadabhyarthita Dasharathi Bhava.
Tamam. Dinakara Kula Kamala.
Dinakara Kula Kamala. Dinakara Kula Kamala.
Divakara.
Divakara. Divakara.
Dinakara Kula Kamala Divakara.
Dinakara Kula Kamala Divakara. Dinakara Kula Kamala Divakara.
Divishadadhipati.
Divishadadhipati. Divishadadhipati.
Ranasahacharana.
Ranasahacharana. Ranasahacharana.
Chaturadasharatha.
Chaturadasharatha. Chaturadasharatha.
Charamarna Vimochana.
Charamarna Vimochana. Charamarna Vimochana.
Divishadadhipati Ranasahacharana Chatura.
Divishadadhipati Ranasahacharana Chatura. Divishadadhipati Ranasahacharana Chatura.
Dasharatha Charamarna Vimochana.
Dasharatha Charamarna Vimochana. Dasharatha Charamarna Vimochana.
Divishadadhipati Ranasahacharana Chatura Dasharatha Charamarna Vimochana.
Divishadadhipati Ranasahacharana Chatura Dasharatha Charamarna Vimochana. Divishadadhipati Ranasahacharana Chatura Dasharatha Charamarna Vimochana.
Tamam. So all of you, while learning, we can go at a slow pace. So it is okay to take time to understand each letter, each word. Please familiarize yourselves with the letters and the words exactly as they are given. And we can chant slowly, recite slowly while learning. So once you are very perfect with it, then you can pick up pace. But it's not necessary that this has to be recited very fast. So it can be, the main point is to chant the letters and the words correctly. So you can keep the pace slow while learning because it helps to learn the Gadyam perfectly. We move to the next one, Aditi. Kosala Sutta Kumara Bhava.
Kosala Sutta Kumara Bhava. Kosala Sutta Kumara Bhava.
Kanchukita.
Kanchukita. Kanchukita.
Karanakara.
Karanakara. Karanakara.
Kosala Sutta Kumara Bhava Kanchukita Karanakara.
Kosala Sutta Kumara Bhava Kanchukita Karanakara. Kosala Sutta Kumara Bhava Kanchukita Karanakara.
Here Bha is Mahaprana, like I have indicated this line here below. That's because Bha is a Mahaprana. So please be mindful while chanting that letter. Kaumarakeli.
Kaumarakeli. Kaumarakeli.
Gopayita.
Gopayita. Gopayita.
Kaushikadhvara.
Kaushikadhvara. Kaushikadhvara.
Here Kaushikadhvara, Dha is a Mahaprana. I have received some requests that it would be easier for you to follow if I go slower. So, okay, I will go slower. So the intention is that you all should learn. So I will make the pace even slower than this. So request the panelists also to follow slowly so that those who are repeating will be able to repeat easily. So we will make it slower, no worries. कौमारकेलि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर
कौमारकेलि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर कौमारकेलि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर.
Before I move to the next line, could I request some of you to just let me know if you're able to hear me? Because one or two of them have said they're not able to hear the audio. I'm not sure if it is the problem with their connection or mine. Yes, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, I got quite a few responses saying that they're able to hear. So one or two of you are not able to hear. Please check the audio settings in your system. कौमारकेलि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर
कौमारकेलि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर कौमारकेलि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर
रणाध्वर धुर्य
रणाध्वरधुर्य रणाध्वरधुर्य
भव्य दिव्यास्त्रवृन्द
भव्य दिव्यास्त्रवृन्द भव्य दिव्यास्त्रवृन्द
वन्दित
वन्दित वन्दित.
Here Ranadhvara, dha is Mahaprana. Again here Dhurya, dhu is Mahaprana. Bhavya, bha is Mahaprana. Ranadhvara Dhurya, Bhavya Divyastra Brinda, Bandita. Ranadhvara Dhurya, Bhavya Divyastra Brinda, Bandita.
रणाध्वरधुर्य भव्य दिव्यास्त्रवृन्द वन्दित रणाध्वरधुर्य भव्य दिव्य रणाध्वरधुर्य भव्य दिव्यास्त्रवृन्द वन्दित.
Once more.
रणाध्वरधुर्य भव्य दिव्यास्त्रवृन्द वन्दित.
Uttamam. Next one also Aditi. Pranata jana vimata.
प्रणत जन विमत प्रणत जन विमत
विमथन
विमथन विमथन
दुर्ललित
दुर्ललित दुर्ललित
दोर्ललित
दोर्ललित दोर्ललित.
So here please note Pranata jana vimata. First time it is Alpa Pranata. The next word Vimathana. Tha is Mahaprana. So the first time is Alpa Prana Vimata. Second time Vimathana. Please note the difference between this ta and this tha. And Durlalita. The next word is Dorlalita. So this is the beauty of the Gadyam. See how beautifully he has used the language, the words. Even to listen, it is so melodious. Even if we don't understand the word-to-word meaning, of course, those who are well-versed in Sanskritam will definitely be able to understand the meaning. So we are supposed to chant, keeping in mind these Mahapranas and the words exactly as is given. So Pranata Jana Vimata, Vimathana, Durlalita, Dorlalita. We will repeat. Pranata Jana Vimata, Vimathana.
Pranata Jana Vimata Vimathana. Pranata Jana Vimata Vimathana.
Durlalita, Dorlalita.
दुर्ललित दोर्ललित दुर्ललित दोर्ललित.
Now the entire line. Pranata jana vimata vimathana durlalita dorlalita.
प्रणत जन विमत विमथन दुर्ललित दोर्ललित. प्रणत जन विमत विमथन दुर्ललित दोर्ललित.
तनुतर विशिख
तनुतर विशिख तनुतर विशिख.
विताडन
विताडन विताडन.
विघटित
विघटित विघटित.
विशरारु
विशरारु विशरारु.
शरारु
शरारु शरारु.
ताटका ताटकेय
ताटका ताटकेय ताटका ताटकेय.
तनुतर विशिख विताडन विघटित
तनुतर विशिख विताडन विघटित. तनुतर विशिख विताडन विघटित.
विशरारु शरारु ताटका ताटकेय
विशरारु शरारु ताटका ताटकेय. विशरारु शरारु ताटका ताटकेय.
So here tanutara vishikha kha is mahaprana, vitadana vighatita gha is mahaprana here, vishararu shararu tataka tatakeya. The entire line. तनुतर विशिख विताडन विघटित विशरारु शरारु ताटका ताटकेय.
तनुतर विशिख विताडन विघटित विशरारु शरारु ताटका ताटकेय. तनुतर विशिख विताडन विघटित विशरारु शरारु ताटका ताटकेय.
Very well chanted, Uttamam Aditi Bhagini. So one of you have asked me, can we dwell on Arabhi, on words like Vandita? Yes, like you said, improvisation is absolutely up to you all. So those who are familiar with Arabhi Raga, who are confident, they want to have improvisations in any line, yes, you could do it. But for the sake of simplicity in teaching and also for the benefit of everyone who is present here, we are going to keep the tune simple while learning. Some lines you can go to mandra, that is the lower octave. Other lines you can go to tarastai, the higher octave. Improvise on the raga. All that is up to you. As long as the words and the splitting and all that is kept in mind, and as long as that is perfect, yes, you could do that. But for learning purposes, for Anucharanam, we are going to keep it simple. Next one, issue. Issue, let us keep the repetition also slow, at a slow pace, as some of them are requesting that specifically, so that it will be easier for them to follow slowly. Okay, so let us not go fast. Jada Kirana.
Jada Kirana. Jada Kirana.
Shakaladhara.
Shakaladhara. Shakaladhara.
Jatila.
Jatila. Jatila.
Natapati.
Natapati. Natapati.
Makutatata.
मकुटतट मकुटतट
नटनपटु
नटनपटु नटनपटु
विबुध
विबुध विबुध
सरिदति बहुल
सरिदति बहुल सरिदति बहुल
मधुगलन ललित
मधुगलन ललित मधुगलन ललित
पदनलिन रज
पदनलिन रज पदनलिन रज
उपमृदित
उपमृदित उपमृदित
निजवृजिन
निजवृजिन निजवृजिन
जहदुपल
जहदुपल जहदुपल
तनुरुचिर
तनुरुचिर तनुरुचिर
परम मुनिवर
परम मुनिवर परम मुनिवर
युवतिनुत
युवतिनुत युवतिनुत.
So this is one of the longer lines. So we have around probably 4 to 5 or so such long lines, long sambodhanas. These we'll have to be very careful while identifying each word and learning that perfectly. So the Mahapranas in this line are Shakala Dhara, Dha is Mahaprana, Vibudha, Dha is Mahaprana, Madhu Galana, Madhu here, Dhu is Mahaprana. So this line we will take some time, we'll spend some time on this line. I will next teach in small portions and in the end the entire line at a stretch. I should request you also to follow at a slow pace so that it will be easier for those who are learning. Jada Kirana Shakaladhara
Jada Kirana Shakaladhara Jada Kirana Shakaladhara
Jatila Natapati Makutatata
Jatila Natapati Makutatata Jatila Natapati Makutatata
Natanapatu Vibudha
Natanapatu Vibudha Natanapatu Vibudha
Saridati Bahula Madhugalana Lalita
Saridati Bahula Madhugalina Lalita Saridati
Saridati Bahula Madhugalana Lalita
Saridati Bahula Madhugalana Lalita Saridati Bahula Madhugalana Lalita
Padanalina Raja Upamridita Nija Vrajina
Padanalina Raja Upamridita Nija Vrajina Padanalina Raja Upamridita Nija Vrajina
Jahadupala Tanuruchira
Jahadupala Tanuruchira Jahadupala Tanuruchira
Parama Munivara Yuvatinuta
Parama Munivara Yuvatinuta Parama Munivara Yuvatinuta.
Again the same line. Jada Kirana Shakala Dhara Jatila Natapati Makuta Tata Natana Patu Vibudha Saridati Bahula
Jada Kirana Shakala जड किरण शकलधर जटिल नटपति मकुट तट नटन पटु विबुध सरिदति बहुल जड किरण शकलधर जटिल नटपति मकुट तट नटन पटु विबुध सरिदति बहुल
मधुगलन ललित पद नलिन रज उपमृदित निज वृजिन
मधुगलन ललित पद नलिन रज उपमृदित निज वृजिन मधुगलन ललित पद नलिन रज उपमृदित निज वृजिन
जहदुपल तनुरुचिर परम मुनिवर युवतिनुत
जहदुपल तनुरुचिर परम मुनिवर युवतिनुत जहदुपल तनुरुचिर परम मुनिवर युवतिनुत.
Now the entire line. जड किरण शकलधर जटिल नटपति मकुट तट नटन पटु विबुध सरिदति बहुल मधुगलन ललित पद नलिन रज उपमृदित निज वृजिन जहदुपल तनुरुचिर परम मुनिवर युवतिनुत
जड किरण शकलधर जटिल नटपति मकुट तट नटन पटु विबुध सरिदति बहुल मधुगलन ललित पद नलिन रज उपमृदित निज वृजिन जहदुपल तनुरुचिर परम मुनिवर युवतिनुत जड किरण शकलधर जटिल नटपति मकुट तट नटन पटु विबुध सरिदति बहुल मधुगलन ललित पद नलिन रज उपमृदित निज वृजिन जहदुपल तनुरुचिर परम मुनिवर युवतिनुत.
Uttamam issue. There are some doubts here. Yes, so regarding where we can take a pause, where we can take a breath, that is what is being asked by a lot of them, especially for big lines like this. So like I was telling you yesterday, if we are able to chant in one breath, it is great. But also to be able to chant in one breath, generally if the pace is faster, it is easier. So it would be possible to chant the entire line in one breath. But for that, we need to be very perfect with the words and the letters. So while practicing now, we will obviously be slower in our pace to perfect the text. Therefore, it is absolutely okay to take a breath anywhere in where there is a hyphen here. So we have given you these hyphens in between words. So there you could take a short breath and then continue. In fact, that is what we are also doing while learning. So at this slow pace, not everyone would be able to chant the entire line in one breath. So it is okay to take a pause wherever you have these hyphens. Like for example, Saridati Bahula. You could take a breath there, then continue Madhugalana Lalita Pada Nalina Raja. Similarly, maybe after Jahadupala. I'm just giving you an example. So we have given you these hyphens. You could take a short breath there and continue. So I hope that is clear. Can you send the lyrics and audio clips? It would be posted on the course page. In fact, the text is already posted on the course page in 6 languages. And we have also posted this presentation. Audio separately, I'm not sure if it will be shared, but the video recording will definitely be shared on the course page and on the YouTube channel. I think yesterday's is already uploaded, so you could check there. Next one also issue. Next line. Kushika Suta Kathita Vidita.
Kushika Suta Kathita Vidita. Kushika Suta Kathita Vidita.
Nava Vividha Katha.
Nava Vividha Katha. Nava Vividha Katha.
So here, please note the Mahapranas. Kushika Suta Kathita. Tha is Mahaprana. There seems to be some confusion about Mahapranas. As we progress, it will become clearer. But if you notice, just for those who are not familiar, if you notice this ta here and this thi is a Mahaprana. You require more breath to pronounce that letter. So if you take the varga, ta, tha, da, dha, na. So all the letters are present in this line. This would be ta, which is Alpa Prana. This is thi, that is th plus e, that is a Mahaprana. Then the here, di, that is an Alpa Prana. Then dha here, that is a Mahaprana. So I hope you're getting the difference. The first and the third letters of each varga, like for example, when we take ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta and the first and the third letter are Alpa Pranas. The second and the fourth, that is tha and dha, are Mahapranas. This and this one, this thi here and this dha, they are Mahapranas. This tha is also a Mahaprana. You will notice the difference when we pronounce. You take more breath to pronounce the Mahapranas. So here Kathita tha is Mahaprana. Vividha dha is Mahaprana. Again tha here is a Mahaprana. Kushika Suta Kathita Vidita.
Kushika Suta Kathita Vidita. Kushika Suta Kathita Vidita.
Nava Vividha Katha.
Nava Vividha Katha. Nava Vividha Katha.
Now the entire line. Kushika Suta Kathita Vidita Nava Vividha Katha.
Kushika Suta Kathita Vidita Nava Vividha Katha. Kushika Suta Kathita Vidita Nava Vividha Katha.
Maithila Nagara.
Maithila Nagara. Maithila Nagara.
Sulochana Lochana Chakora.
Sulochana Lochana Chakora. Sulochana Lochana Chakora.
Chandra.
Chandra. Chandra.
Here Maithila. Tha is Mahaprana. That is the Mahaprana in this line. Maithila Nagara Sulochana Lochana Chakora Chandra. Maithila Nagara Sulochana Lochana Chakora Chandra.
Maithila Nagara Sulochana Lochana Chakora Chandra. Maithila Nagara Sulochana Lochana Chakora Chandra.
Khanda Parashu.
Khanda Parashu. Khanda Parashu.
Kodanda Prakanda.
Kodanda Prakanda. Kodanda Prakanda.
Khandana Shaunda.
Khandana Shaunda. Khandana Shaunda.
Bhujadanda.
Bhujadanda. Bhujadanda.
Here Khanda Parashu. Kha is Mahaprana. Kodanda. Note the difference between this ka and this kha. Here also ka. So kodanda, prakanda, here ka, they are alpa pranas. This ka here is a mahaprana. Next line also khandana. Ka is also again a mahaprana there. Khanda shaunda, bhuja. Bha is mahaprana. Bhuja danda. Khanda parashu kodanda prakanda khandana shaunda bhuja danda. Here there is a dvitvam. So yesterday I explained, some of you asked me, if you notice while reciting, it is kodanda prakanda. You are hearing p before the pra, the double sound for pa. That is a dvitvam. So that has to be chanted. Kodanda prakanda khandana shaunda bhujadanda. Khanda parashu kodanda prakanda.
Khanda parashu kodanda prakanda. Khanda parashu kodanda prakanda.
Khandana shaunda bhujadanda.
Khandana shaunda bhujadanda. Khandana shaunda bhujadanda.
Khanda parashu kodanda prakanda khandana shaunda bhujadanda.
Khanda parashu kodanda prakanda khandana shaunda bhujadanda. Khanda parashu kodanda prakanda khandana shaunda bhujadanda.
Okay, so one of you has asked me how many times should we recite each line while practicing. So it is really up to your comfort level. How many ever times you think it's required for you to perfect that particular line, you could recite it as many times and move ahead. So please notice, please pay attention to the letters and be careful that you're chanting the letters and the words clearly. And once you perfect it, you could move further. So for example, the first line, Jaya Jaya Mahavira, they are quite simple. Whereas the previous slide, Jada Kirana, they are bigger lines. So can't really say uniformly each line will take these many repetitions. How many ever times you require initially. So once you get it perfect, then it stays with you for life. So only initially that work we have to put in a lot of abhyasa. So once it becomes yours, then it is very easy. You can explore with the pace and with the tune, etc. Next one, also issue. Chandakara Kirana.
Chandakara Kirana. Chandakara Kirana.
Mandala Bodhita.
Mandala Bodhita. Mandala Bodhita.
Pundarika Vanaruchi.
Pundarika Vanaruchi. Pundarika Vanaruchi.
Luntakalochana.
Luntakalochana. Luntakalochana.
Bodhita is here Bodhita. Dha is a Mahaprana. Chandakara Kirana Mandala Bodhita.
Chandakara Kirana Mandala Bodhita. Chandakara Kirana Mandala Bodhita.
Pundarika Vanaruchi Luntakalochana.
Pundarika Vanaruchi Luntakalochana. Pundarika Vanaruchi Luntakalochana.
Chandakara Kirana Mandala Bodhita Pundarika Vanaruchi Luntakalochana.
Chandakara Kirana Mandala Bodhita Pundarika Vanaruchi Luntakalochana. Chandakara Kirana Mandala Bodhita Pundarika Vanaruchi Luntakalochana.
Yes. One more thing to notice. This na here, Kirana, is different from this na, Lochana. So for those who are probably learning for the first time, learning to recite Sanskritam verses, or here it is a Gadyam, not a verse, but anything, whether it's a verse or a Gadyam. So this na here, it belongs to ta varga, ta, tha, da, dha, na. This na is belongs to the next ta varga, ta, tha, da, dha, na. Please differentiate while pronouncing this. Kirana, na, and Lochana, na. So if you notice, this na is softer. This na requires more effort from the tongue. So please differentiate that while chanting. Next one. Mochita janaka hridaya.
Mochita janaka hridaya. Mochita janaka hridaya.
Shankatanka.
Shankatanka. Shankatanka.
Mochita janaka hridaya shankatanka.
Mochita janaka hridaya shankatanka. Mochita janaka hridaya shankatanka.
Before we move to the next line, is Ruchi, is it a dirgha? No, Bhagini, it is not a dirgha. Pundarika Vanaruchi Luntaka Lochana. Ruchi, E, it is a hrasva, that is a short letter. Like yesterday we learned, short letters, they're not prolonged while pronouncing them. So Vanaruchi Luntaka, it is not Ruchi, that is not the word here, it is Vanaruchi. So it is only a hrasva, it is not a dirgha, it is not a long letter. Please note that. We will move to Parihrita. Parihrita Nikhila.
Parihrita Nikhila. Parihrita Nikhila.
Narapati Varana Janaka Duhitra.
Narapati Varana Janaka Duhitra. Narapati Varana Janaka Duhitra.
Kuchatata Viharana.
Kuchatata Viharana. Kuchatata Viharana.
Samuchita Karatala.
Samuchita Karatala. Samuchita Karatala.
Parihrita Nikhila Narapati Varana Janaka Duhitra Kuchatata Viharana Samuchita Karatala.
Parihrita Nikhila Narapati Varana Janaka Duhitra Kuchatata Viharana Samuchita Karatala. Parihrita Nikhila Narapati Varana Janaka Duhitra Kuchatata Viharana Samuchita Karatala. Parihrita Nikhila.
Yes, go on, sorry.
Parihrita Nikhila Narapati Varana Janaka Duhitra Kuchatata Viharana Samuchita Karatala.
Is Mahaprana. Again, please note, this is Nikhila, na, Narapati, na. Whereas here it is Varana, na. So you use more of your tongue, like I said. Varana, here again Janaka, softer. Duhitra, Kuchatata. Here, notice the difference in the pronunciation between ta and ta. Like na and na. So these also belong to different vargas. This is tavarga and this is ta varga. So kuchatata, ta and ta, when they are next to each other, please be careful not to interchange. So here first is ta and then is ta. Then viharana, na again here, this na. Samuchita karatala. These things generally, for those who are not familiar, when you're learning for the first time, initially it might be a little confusing, so I'm pointing out those things to be careful about. One of them has said, can we stop here? Yes, just 1 or 2 more lines and we will stop. We will not go further than that today. Shatakoti. Aditi, please unmute. Shatakoti Shataguna.
शतकोटि शतगुण शतकोटि शतगुण
Kathina Parashudhara.
कठिन परशुधर कठिन परशुधर
Munivara Karadhrita.
मुनिवर करधृत मुनिवर करधृत
Duravanamatama.
दुरवनमतम दुरवनमतम
Duravanamatama.
दुरवनमतम दुरवनमतम
Nijadhanurakarshana Prakashita.
निज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित निज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित
Parameshthya.
पारमेष्ठ्य पारमेष्ठ्य
Please note here, Shatakoti, Shataguna, Kathina. Tha is Mahaprana. Kathina, Parashudhara. Dha is Mahaprana. Munivara, Karadhrita. Dhr, not the pronunciation of this, it is dhr. It's like Amritam, Kripa, Krishnaha, like that. R. Karadhrita. Dhr. Dhr is Mahaprana. Dha here Mahaprana. Duravana Matama. Nija Dhanurakarshana. Dha is Mahaprana. Nija Dhanurakarshana Prakashita. Dvitvam again there. Before P, before Prakashita, we hear a double P. So Dvitvam. Nija Dhanurakarshana Prakashita. Parameshthya. Tha is Mahaprana here. Tha, that tha. Parameshthya. So let us repeat this. Shatakoti Shataguna Kathina Parashudhara.
शतकोटि शतगुण कठिन परशुधर शतकोटि शतगुण कठिन परशुधर
Munivara Karadhrita Duravanamatama.
मुनिवर करधृत दुरवनमतम मुनिवर करधृत दुरवनमतम
Nijadhanurakarshana Prakashita Parameshthya.
निज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित पारमेष्ठ्य निज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित पारमेष्ठ्य.
Now the entire line. Shatakoti Shataguna Kathina Parashudhara Munivara Karadhrita Duravanamatama Nija Dhanurakarshana Prakashita Parameshthya.
शतकोटि शतगुण कठिन परशुधर मुनिवर करधृत दुरवनमतम निज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित पारमेष्ठ्य. शतकोटि शतगुण कठिन परशुधर मुनिवर करधृत दुरवनमतम निज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित पारमेष्ठ्य.
Uttamam. We will just move to the next slide because after that we will be completing Balakanda. So tomorrow we can commence Ayodhya Kanda. Balakanda, that is the first Kanda of Ramayanam. So let us finish this slide and then we will conclude there for today. Krat Aditi, Kratuhara Shikhari.
क्रतुहर शिखरि क्रतुहर शिखरी.
Okay, here I'm sorry, this denotes kantuka, but some versions have kantuka, but we are following kanduka. So in the version which is uploaded on the portal, it is kanduka itself. So maybe I have opened a different PPT by mistake. Sorry about that. So we will learn it as kanduka, not kantuka. Kanduka, the instead of the here. On the portal, the correct PPT is uploaded. So please note this change here. It is duka, the. Kratuhara shikhari kanduka.
क्रतुहर शिखरि कन्दुक. क्रतुहर शिखरि कन्दुक.
Vihrityunmukha.
विहृत्युन्मुख. विहृत्युन्मुख.
Jagadaruntuda.
जगदरुन्तुद. जगदरुन्तुद.
Jitaharidantidanta.
जितहरिदन्तिदन्त. जितहरिदन्तिदन्त.
Danturoronta.
दन्तुरोरोन्त. दन्तुरोरोन्त.
Dashavadana.
दशवदन. दशवदन.
Damanakushala.
दमनकुशल. दमनकुशल.
Dashashatabhujamukha.
दशशतभुजमुख. दशशतभुजमुख.
Nripatikula.
नृपतिकुल. नृपतिकुल.
Rudhirajhara bhara bharita.
रुधिरझर भर भरित. रुधिरझर भर भरित.
Prithutara.
पृथुतर. पृथुतर.
Tatakatarpita.
तटाकतर्पित. तटाकतर्पित.
Pitrika bhrugupati.
पितृकभृगुपति. पितृकभृगुपति.
Sugati vihatikara.
सुगति विहतिकर. सुगति विहतिकर.
Nataparudishu parigha.
नतपरुडिषु परिघ. नतपरुडिषु परिघ.
Again, one of the long lines we have in this Gadyam. We will repeat this again. So tomorrow I will start by Anucharanam with this line, as in we will repeat this line again tomorrow with small parts. But for today also we will learn this. Please practice. Tomorrow again we will repeat this line. So here the Mahapranas are Kratuhara Shikhari. Kha is Mahaprana here. Vihrityunmukha. Kha is Mahaprana. Dashashata Bhuja Mukha. Bha and Kha are Mahaprana. Rudhira. Jha is Mahaprana. Jhara Bhara Bharita. Jha, Bha and Bha. Jha, Bha and Bha are Mahapranas. Next word. Prithutara. Tha, the first two, that is Mahaprana. Next line. Bhrigupati. Bhr here. Bhr is a Mahaprana. Bha. Then the last letter Parigha, that is also a Mahaprana. So we will repeat this now. Again tomorrow I will repeat it. So maybe now I will teach in maybe half a line and then the entire line. Kratuhara shikhari kanduka vihrityunmukha jagadaruntuda jita haridanti danta danturoronta.
क्रतुहर शिखरि कन्दुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तुद जित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त. क्रतुहर शिखरि कन्दुक विहृत्युन्मुख विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त
दशवदन दमन कुशल दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर
दशवदन दमन कुशल दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर जर भर भरित पृथुतर दशवदन दमन कुशल दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर
तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ
तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ.
Now the entire line. क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर तटाक तर्प पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ
क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ.
उत्तमम्.
क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ.
Uttamam, Aditi. So tomorrow we will repeat learning this line again in the Anucharanam mode. That is, I will ask the panelists to repeat in small parts and then the entire line. So yes, as some of you have requested, I will quickly chant these 20 lines as a recap of what we learned today. After that, we will conclude. I'm going to chant again in the simple tune itself for now, not with improvisations and raga. Maybe in the end, after we finish learning everything, I will chant with the raga, more of raga and all that. Jaya Jaya Mahavira Mahadhira Dhaureya Devasura Samara Samaya Samudita Nikhila Nirjara Nirdharita Niravadhika Mahatmya Dashavadana Damita Daivata Parishadabhyarthita Dasharathi Bhava Dinakara Kula Kamala Divakara दिविशदधिपति रण सहचरण चतुर दशरथ चरमरण विमोचन कोसल सुता कुमार भाव कंचुकित कारणाकार कौमार केलि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर रणाध्वर धुर्य भव्य दिव्यास्त्र वृंदवंदित व्रणत जन विमत विमथन दुर्ललित दोर्ललित तनुतर विशिख विताडन विघटित विशरारु शरारु ताटक ताटकेय जड किरण शकलधर जटिल नटपति मकुट तट नटन पटु विबुध सरिदति बहुल मधुगलन ललित पद नलिन रज उपमृदित निज वृजिन जहदुपल तनु रुचिर परम मुनिवर युवति नुत कुशिक सुत कथित विदित नव विविध कथा मैथिल नगर सुलोचनालोचन चकोर चंद्र खंड परशुकोदंड प्रकांड खंडन शौंड भुजदंड चंडकर किरण मंडल बोधित पुंडरी कवन रुचिलुंटाकलोचन मोचित जनक हृदय शंकातंक परिहृत निखिल नरपति वरण जनक दुहितृ कुच तट विहरण समुचित करतल शतकोटि शतगुण कठिन परशुधर मुनिवर कर धृत दुरवन मतम निज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित पारमेष्ठ्य क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल दश शत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिख. So we have learned till there the first 20 lines, that is we have completed Balakanda. A lot of questions. I will take as many as possible. I think we have, it's already 5:02. Sorry about the, we have overshot the time. Is Sha Mahaprana? Yes, Bharani Bhagini. Actually, the Mahapranas, even Sha is considered Mahaprana. But I'm only focusing on the Mahapranas of Vargiya Vyanjanani. That is to differentiate between Tatha, Dadha, or the first and third rather, and the second and the fourth letter. So we have not, even the Avargiya Vyanjanani also have Mahapranas, yes. But I am not highlighting those. I'm only highlighting Mahapranas in Vargiya Vyanjanani. That is a very good question. There are many comments and questions. If I miss replying to any of them, please send us an email. Meaning, some of you have asked us to share any work or any publication. We have received a few suggestions. Actually, we have already looked at those suggestions also before we started this course. But like I said, because this course is focused only on chanting, we are not going to deal with the meaning in class. Then we will not be able to complete in 9 days. Also, for reference purposes, we will look at the various sources available online. We know that there are some webinars which are teaching the meaning, and they're on YouTube, they're available, and there is also a PDF document, some essays, etc. We will look into them and see which one we can share with you as an authentic meaning to help you understand better. But in this class, we will only focus on chanting. Is Kannada version available? Yes, Kannada version has been uploaded on the portal. Will participants be given a chance to chant? Yes, definitely. So generally what I do is I teach some portion of the Gadyam or Shlokas, depending on what we are learning. And then we will, in the next class, we will have revision because you will have time to practice. So today, please practice these 20 lines. Tomorrow, last few minutes, you can raise your hand and I'll give you an opportunity to chant individually. Tamil version is also available. Yes, Tamil, we have on the portal, we have in 6 languages. 2 are already here on the screen. Then we have Telugu, Kannada, Tamil and Malayalam. So 6 languages. Marathi, not now, Bhagini. We will try to get it in other languages also. For now, we have 6. We don't have Marathi as yet, but we will try and get it in more languages. So one of you says, you know, Srinivasa Gadyam. Knowing any Sanskritam work, I mean, Gadyam, if you have already studied Sanskrit or if you have studied, say, shlokas like Bhagavad Gita, the rules of pronunciation like Mahaprana, Alpaprana, Dvitvam, all these you will come across these. So yes, in that way, it would be helpful if you have learned chanting or reciting other Sanskritam works. Recording, like I said, we already have the video recordings uploaded every day on our portal and on YouTube. On the last day, I will chant the entire Gadyam, so that will also be uploaded. For now, with whatever classes we are doing, you could go back to the recordings on a daily basis. The volunteers are uploading, so you will get the video recordings to practice. So I hope I've answered most of the questions. If I have not, please send me an email. And thank you very much to all of you for attending. Thank you to our panelists, Aditi and Ishu, for practicing and for helping us with the Anucharanam. So as usual, we'll conclude with the last shloka and Shanti Mantraha. Any more questions, please send me an email. कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेङ्कटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। धन्यवादाः। श्वः पुनर्मिलामः. We will meet tomorrow at the same time, that is 4 PM IST. धन्यवादाः. Thank you all.